This is the Genuine Gerber 99-790 fill valve. This fill valve comes complete with the replenish tube here, the nut, and the gasket to secure it to the tank. The replenish tube goes into the top of the flush valve or the overflow tube. The float is adjustable, as you can see here. You just need a small flathead screwdriver to get down in there. Get a few measurements here. And if you would like to order this part, you can see the link in the description below. And that's all for the Genuine Gerber 99-790 fill valve.